We are going to learn about Kasaba Jadhav. So here you can see that he is a world champion. He got third prize, that is bronze medal in wrestling at the year 1952. So here we will see about the Kasaba Jadhav. So yeah, have you heard about the Olympic Games? Sportsmen from many different countries of the world come together for the Olympic Games. So many different countries they come for this Olympic Games. They clear the state level, then national level, then they selected for the Olympic Games, and they in Olympic Games the different countries participants come from different countries. A number of events are held. So there are many events, that is many games are held. There are games, athletical events. Athletical means sports of competing in tracks, the games that held in tracks and field events. And like your examples are given like high jump, long jump, running, and gymnastic events. Gymnastic is a physical exercise that are done indoor. The games that are played indoor. Like events like swimming and diving competition, boxing and wrestling matches, and many other things are there. The many other things. The winners are given gold, silver and bronze medal. So the winners get gold medal for first prize, and second prize is silver, and bronze is third prize. And Olympic medal is an honor. So that is honor. Honor means a respect and a pride for the country and the person who gets it. An Olympic winner is considered to be a world champion. Those who win the Olympic game is said to be a world champion. Few Indians have won Olympic medal so far. The first person to win a medal for independent India was a wrestler from Maharashtra. His name was Kasaba Jadhav. So only a few Indians have won the medal so far. The first person to win a medal for independent India was a wrestler. So the Kasaba Jadhav win the medal for wrestling game. And after independence India means, so here we got independent at 15th August 1947. So after that is 1952, for wrestling he win the third prize. He got the medal and he is from the state Maharashtra. His name was Kasaba Jadhav. So now we will learn about the Kasaba history, where he born and what all struggles he have taken and what all happened to in his life. So we are going to see this. Kasaba Jadhav was born in a very poor family in a village called Goleshwar in Satara district. So he was from very poor family and his village name is Goleshwar and it is in Satara district. But it was her family that loved sports, especially wrestling. So the whole family, especially they like wrestling. His father Dada Saheb was himself a wrestler. So his father was a wrestler. He had 5 sons. So father have 5 sons. The youngest of them was Kasaba. So he was a smaller than all the sons. That is the last son of the Dada Saheb, that is Kasaba Jadhav. Son name is Kasaba Jadhav. Dada Saheb himself taught his son wrestling. So Dada Saheb taught all his 5 sons wrestling. They were all very good at it, but the best among them was Kasaba. So Dada Saheb, his father, taught all the 5 sons, but the best who was going more better was Kasaba Jadhav. From a early age, Kasaba loved to watch wrestling bouts. Bouts means match. So it's like wrestling is a fighting, two people fighting and make them try to throw each other in the ground. So it's a wrestling we say, and bouts means match. His father took him to see the bouts from time he was just 4 years. When he was 4 years old, his father used to take him to see the wrestling match. He would sit on his father's shoulders and watch the bout. So his father make the Kasaba Jadhav to sit in his shoulder and they watch the match, that is bouts. At 10 he was the youngest to get into Akhada. Akhada is a place where the physical exercise are done. Soon it became clear that he was also the best. He was also the best not only in his own Akhada but in the whole area. So he was doing the best in physical exercises, not in that place, but in the where gym we say. So, but in the whole area, he was the best. Kasaba loved other sports too. So he also liked other sports. He was fond. Fond means like he also liked kabaddi, malakam, running, swimming, and gymnastics. He took part in all of this. He became strong and agile. Agile means to able to move quickly and easily. So he was able to play all the games quickly and easily. So he loved to discuss sports with his friends. So he likes sports. So whenever he talks with his friends, he always talk about the sports. So here you can see the picture of Malakam. Now you will see the next page. So here it is given he went to Rajaram College in Kolhapur where wrestling was encouraged. So here where the playing wrestling was more encouraged, Kasaba took part in many wrestling bouts and won them all. So many wrestling bouts he have to participate and all he have to win. In that area he was the champion. So in that area, that is Kolhapur, so he was the champion. So he wins all the wrestling game. Therefore he was sent to wrestle at the state level and national level. So after that school level, so college level, so he had to, then he was gone to wrestle the state level, then the national level. Kasaba Jadhav become famous at the national level too. So that the national level also he become famous. He beat the national champion. So that time the champion Niranjan Das was a champion in 1948. So he beat. So he beat. He was he did the wrestling with Niranjan Das and won the match. That is why it was decided to send him to the International Olympic Games. So he was sent to the International Olympic Games. When Kasaba Jadhav took part in the Olympic Games for the first time, he found that the Indian and international rules were different. So he found out that the Kasaba Jadhav in the Olympic Games he went to for first time. So he found out that the Indian games and the international games they have different rules and the Indians have different rules. Also he was used to wrestling in a earthen pit. Earthen pit means you have to play in the mud, that is soil. You have to do the wrestling, but there it was different. At the Olympic Games the bouts were held on a mat. So there in the Olympic Games it was the wrestling bout was held on a mat. In spite of these differences, Kasaba Jadhav was one of 6th place out of 42. So 42 Olympian participants are there. So in that he became 6th place he win in the Olympic Games. Then the Olympic Games are held every 4 years. So I already told that the first Olympic Games he held he participated was 1948. Then next in 1952 Kasaba wished to take part in the Olympics again. So again he wished to participate in the 1952, but it was not an easy task. So this time it was not easy. He had to prove his merit again and face the opposition of officials. So we can say that the from merit again means you have to again prove that the champions you have to win again, and then many opposition was there from officials, that is higher authorities. So you have to clear all. Then he was selected for the Olympic Games. Also in those days Olympic participants had to spend their own money for traveling to and staying in the place where the games were held. So all the money you have to spend. So where he goes, so different country you have to go, so their water expenses and all you have to take. For traveling also his own money you have to use. So it was very expensive, so he cannot afford it. Kasaba did not have that much money and he did not get any money from the government. So he was not having that much money to spend. So and even the government was not helping him. At last the principal of Rajaram College, so where he studied in Kolhapur, the college, the principal helped him to by keeping the house. He get the money and given to Kasaba Jadhav. The other people in Kasaba village also helped. So in Kasaba village there people helped to help the Kasaba Jadhav. The 1952 Olympics were held at Helsinki. There the Kasaba Jadhav had to face opponents from Russia and Gulf countries. So here the games were held in the place where Helsinki. The Kasaba Jadhav had to face opponents. Opponents means the person who is opposite of him from Russia and from Gulf countries. Gulf countries like Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, like that countries. This Gulf countries, 7 Gulf countries are there. He won the 5 first 5 bouts quite easily. So first 5 bouts, that is पहले 5 मुकाबला he was easily able to win. Then he won each bout within 5 minutes. So within 5 minutes he was able to win the one bout within 5 minutes. We will see the next page. Then he had to face a wrestler from Japan. They were both well matched. So there we had to face the wrestler from Japan, and they were of equal level. The bout lasted for 15 minutes. So before he played one bout for 5 minutes. Now he lasted for 15 minutes. Kasaba lost the match by just 1 point. So Kasaba Jadhav lost the match by 1 point. So he was exhausted after the bout. So he was very tired. So continuously he was playing. He was very tired, but he was asked to wrestle with the Soviet wrestler immediately. So he was said to wrestle again immediately, as he was already tired. This was against the rules. Then also, according to the rules, Sabha should have rested for at least half an hour before the second bout. So he should have given at least half an hour rest for playing after playing the first match. So here he was not given any break. Kasaba lost in the bout with the Sonin wrestler. So he lost the match. Still he had won a bronze medal. Then also he won the bronze medal, that is third, by finishing third. So he became third and he got the bronze medal. When Kasaba Jadhav returned from Helsinki, many people honored him. So many people, when he returned from Helsinki to his place, that is, you can say the place is Goleshwar. So all welcomed him, honored him. The people in his village gave him a grand welcome. The possession of 151 bullock carts waiting for him in his home village of Goleshwar. So 151 bullock carts, you can see down picture is given. Bullock carts here came, that is 151 bullock carts gone to meet them, along with the villagers. They gone to honor the Kasaba Jadhav. The villagers carried the hero home to the sound of dolls. So you can see that the sounds of dolls, they honored him. Kasaba Jadhav did not forget those who helped him. So he did not forget those who helped him in difficult times. After winning the Olympic medals, he played the first bout to raise money. So after winning the medal, he played the first bout, and he, not for himself but for the principal who gave his house for sending Kasaba to Helsinki. The principal got his house back again. So first, from the first bout, he raised money for the principal who gave his house and sent him to Helsinki. So he gave money back to the principal, and principal got the house back. Kasaba won great honor for his country even when he did not have much help or facilities. So he got honor, that is, he got Olympic Games means honor for our country, motherland. So then also he did not get much facilities. That government has not provided him any facilities, but now it is not like that. The sportsmen, they have get lots of facilities. So you have to find out whether today's sportsmen have many facilities. So it is said here that today's sportsmen, they get many facilities. Shouldn't we all try our best to win great honors for our motherland? So we should also try to get honors for our motherland, that is to our India. We should also see that what talents we have in us. So we should bring it out, and if it is honor for our motherland, it is good. So we can try and do it for like Kasaba Jadhav. Thank you.